again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Ecool Bus. So I got a school bus in 2019 right before the COVID, and it took me 5 weeks for converting by myself alone, and I did everything the most ecologically responsible. I use a bamboo floor, a bamboo kitchen counter. The table is made from bamboo, and I have a nice drawer here with a board with my laptop there with my stuff. So it's like I got full of storage. I got a fridge, I got water, I got, here is my secret box of my little composting toilet here, with a seat over that for the dog and the cat when I'm driving, because my kitty is there, my dog is there. So I'm traveling from LA because I work and live in LA, but I live this lifestyle for 4 years. So I make this place comfortable, minimalist, eco-friendly as possible, and I love this lifestyle. I'm originally from France, but I live in the United States for 24 years now. So yeah, that's my tiny house on wheels, and I love it.
Now, how much water do you carry?
I have a 3 tank of 8 gallon each, like that.
Okay.
Like those. So I have 3. So I have enough water for like usually 8 days, 7 days, depending on the way I use. But when I'm here, I'm trying to save water more than
right.
You know, when I wash my dish, I'm trying to use less water. But yeah, I'm using water, so I'm okay with water. You know, I can go in town, but I'm okay for the 1 week.
Right.
For the whole week of Skoolie Palooza, I'm going to be here. I'm not going to move somewhere by water.
Yeah.
Same thing for the food. I buy all my food before I left LA at the farmers markets. So my fridge is fucking full of veggies and
yep.
yeah, you know, because I'm vegan, so I eat only fresh organic veggies and fruit, and so I'm getting enough food for like 10 days.
Yeah, that's same as me.
Yeah,
you
that's good.
I have to shop when I leave.
Absolutely, yeah.
Now you had solar. How much?
I have 380 watt solar panel on the roof, and I have 3 lithium iron phosphate battery. So I have 300 amp, and I'm always on full charge.
Right.
And sometime when it's raining and gray, my recommendation to people who have lithium battery is to shut down your inverter for like 2-3 hours a day. Nothing's running or draining from the battery.
Right.
And you can go back at 13.1 or even 14.2 like I have right now. I'm at 14.2.
Oh yeah, it's nice out here.
Because it's very clear sky here. Though.
Sure. We had 2 days before this started where it was gray days.
Yeah.
My batteries were getting down to 70% or whatever.
Yeah.
And 2 days like this where it's full sun,
Great.
You know.
Yeah. I mean, when you before I had 3 buses. This is my 3rd one. So the 2 other buses I had before, I built it and I sold it. I didn't have lithium battery, and when I sold to the guy, I told him, be careful, don't drain your battery too low, because you know. And one guy one day drained the battery at 30% because he forget at night, he left the light on and everything, and he drained the battery too much. So after that, the battery never recharged to 100. So
yeah, the lead acid ones are.
The lithium, it's convenient because you can go to 0%. I think the lowest percentage I have on my battery was maybe last year. The fridge was not closing well at night, and I didn't pay attention on that. And in the morning, my inverter beep, and I get like 7% of my battery. So, oh, 7%. When I check on my phone, my apps, wow, I get only 7% of battery. So the whole day, what I did, I buy the ice pack. I put the ice pack in the fridge for keep the cold.
Right.
And I shut down my inverter, and in one day, it go back to 100% and reboost it. So
sure.
No, it's great. It's convenient, and I like to drive a lot. I'm traveling a lot. During COVID, I travel all over West Side Coast and to California, to Oregon, to Utah, Arizona, Nevada. So I did a lot of road trip for 5 months.
Sure.
When everything was locked down in LA.
Right.
When people was crazy about this flu virus. So yeah.
Now, do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to get hold of you?
I have my personal Instagram. It's Bio Bernard, B-I-O Bernard. And also the Instagram for the bus is called the Ecool Bus. Ecool, like eco-friendly, Ecool Bus.
Right.
Yeah, you can find me there.
All right, thank
And I
you.
do hair at Skoolie Palooza. If
Oh, yeah,
somebody
there
needs a
you go.
haircut, I do a great price for Skoolie.
Thank you.
Thank you.